Hi, this is Derek with Boise Cylinder Head Services. Today we're continuing on with our 302, 351 Cleavland set of cylinder heads that we're rebuilding. These are Australian versions of those cylinder heads with a closed chamber. What we've done is we put them in the shot blaster here, and we let them rotate a few times, turned them over, rotated them again, let them blast clean, and now we're going to pull them out and see how clean they are. They were all rust covered before, and they should be all nice and clean right now.
The door open.
So we're gonna open it up. Here's the cylinder heads. They just rotated around, and now they're nice and shiny. You can kind of see how clean they are, down to bare metal, which is exactly what we wanted. You know, once we get these things rebuilt, they'll really shine like we want them to. But yeah, now we're going to pull these things out, blow the shot peen out of them, get them rinsed up, and back to the other shop to finish working on them. We really love this shot blaster. It cleans it up so nice. All right, we're going to pull these out. Oh, always remember to wear your safety glasses. This stuff would be a nightmare to get in your eye. There's still a few spots that it doesn't quite get that we'll have to get later, maybe with the glass bead machine, to get it all completely cleaned up. We'll set these down, grab the other one, we'll blow them all out. All right, we're gonna make a bit of noise here blowing these things out. I want to get as much of the shot peen out as we can. What? Alrighty, now we're just going to put them in the wash and rinse them up and move to the next step. But that's all we got for our video today. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button and that bell notification button as well. And remember, it's all in your head.